The Voyager probes have been traveling through space for over 45 years, raising questions about their distant future. Could they reach another star system or even encounter aliens? And what about NASA's Pioneer probes, launched in the 1970s? Voyager 1 and 2, launched in 1977, took advantage of a rare planetary alignment that occurs every 175 years, making it easier to explore Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. NASA quickly assembled the probes, which went on to make history. Their original mission focused on Jupiter and Saturn, with Voyager 2 also becoming the first to study Uranus and Neptune up close. Scientists used gravity assists to propel them through the solar system at record speeds. Just a few years after launch, both probes sent back groundbreaking photos and data. Voyager 1 provided the first high-resolution images of Jupiter's Great Red Spot, revealing it as a massive storm. It also discovered active volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Io and detailed Saturn's rings and moons. Voyager 2 continued its journey, capturing images of Neptune's icy surface and discovering new moons and rings around Uranus. Now, Voyager 1 has traveled over 24 billion kilometers into deep space, powered by a plutonium-238 generator. Voyager 2 follows, both transmitting data on cosmic radiation, particles, and magnetic fields. However, after decades of travel, their energy is fading, and NASA faces increasing technical challenges in keeping these space pioneers operational. NASA engineers have repeatedly revived the two Voyagers, performing remote maintenance across vast distances. If all goes well, they'll keep sending interstellar data until the decade's end. But what happens when their batteries finally die and the last radio signal fades? Voyager 1 and 2 will continue drifting through space, though unable to transmit. In about 40,000 years, Voyager 1 will pass near the star G445, covering 17.6 light-years. Voyager 2 will pass close to Sirius in 296,000 years. With no set destination, they'll wander the galaxy for billions of years. Whether they're ever found is unknown. Should an extraterrestrial civilization discover them, both probes carry a golden record. These aren't solid gold but gilded copper, containing greetings in multiple languages, Earth's sounds, images, and music. Even after their mission ends, the Voyagers won't just be defunct instruments but cultural messengers, carrying humanity's legacy into the cosmos. Often overshadowed by the Voyagers, Pioneer 10 and 11 are also still out there. Launched in 1972 and 1973, they were among the first probes to explore the solar system. Their main mission was to study Jupiter and Saturn before heading into the unknown. The Pioneer probes ventured into the far reaches of the solar system, not just to explore the gas giants but also to study deep space. Pioneer 10 was the first to cross the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, paving the way for Voyager 1. In December 1973, it passed Jupiter at about 132,000 kilometers, capturing the first close-up images and sending data on its radiation, powerful magnetic field, and turbulent atmosphere. It then continued into deep space. Journey into interstellar space. Pioneer 10 couldn't document its transition beyond the solar system, but in January 2003, it sent its last data on cosmic radiation and solar wind. Now, it's about 130 Australian dollars, 19.5 billion kilometers, from Earth, heading toward Taurus. Pioneer 11 followed, reaching Jupiter in 1974 and providing unique data from its inner radiation belt. Scientists risked a close flyby, exposing the probe to extreme radiation, yet it survived and transmitted stunning images, including new moon discoveries. It then traveled to Saturn, where it studied the magnetic field and measured Titan's temperature. Afterward, it drifted toward interstellar space. Contact ended in 1995 due to weak power. Today, it's about 103 Australian dollars, 15.4 billion kilometers, away and will likely reach a distant star system in the Shield constellation in thousands of years. Like the Voyagers, both Pioneer probes carry gold-plated plaques with depictions of humans, Earth, and our solar system's location, messages for potential extraterrestrial life. They were the first probes to relay data from the solar system's edge, paving the way for the Voyager twins. After that, NASA shifted focus, until the launch of New Horizons. New Horizons. In 2006, NASA launched New Horizons on a mission to Pluto and beyond. One of the fastest spacecraft ever, it lifted off from Cape Canaveral on January 19 aboard an Atlas V rocket. The goal? To study Pluto, then considered the ninth planet, its moons, and the Kuiper Belt. Part of NASA's New Frontiers program, this mission aimed to unveil the secrets of the solar system's outer reaches. New Horizons became the first probe to capture Pluto up close, delivering real images instead of blurry Hubble photos or artistic renderings. This historic encounter redefined our understanding of the dwarf planet. After a 9-year journey, New Horizons reached Pluto on July 14, 2015. To achieve record speed, NASA used a gravity assist from Jupiter in 2007, slingshotting the probe to incredible velocities. However, New Horizons never entered Pluto's orbit, it simply flew by. The brief yet groundbreaking encounter revealed a complex world with vast ice sheets, glaciers, and possible cryovolcanoes. Scientists expected a barren rock but found an active landscape, including Pluto's famous heart-shaped region. Surprisingly, Pluto's mountains are made of solid ice, stronger than rock on Earth. Signs of cryovolcanism suggest Pluto may have a warm interior, possibly hiding underground oceans with simple life forms. New Horizons also found Pluto's atmosphere, thin yet dynamic, composed of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Seasonal cycles may cause nitrogen snow to fall. The probe also sent back stunning data on Pluto's largest moon, Charon, revealing Charon was once thought to be a small planet rather than Pluto's moon. It features deep canyons and smooth plains, sparking researchers' curiosity about the Pluto system. However, New Horizons couldn't stay. It had to continue into the Kuiper Belt,